Photographers are in trouble. When I say trouble, big time trouble. Do you know that you can generate a clean studio picture for your birthday shot, anniversary, or any other celebration? In this video, I'll be breaking down the step-by-step method you can use in order to generate your studio pictures with complete free AI tools. Remember, we don't gatekeep here. Meeting me for the first time, I am your YouTube big sister, and on this channel, I teach you everything you need to know about AI and YouTube automation. So do well to like this video and subscribe because you will learn a whole lot from this. So guys, the AI app we'll be using to generate our studio picture is called Google Gemini. You can access it through your Chrome browser. You can download it through your Play Store or your Apple Store. But I'll advise you to download it because this app is very, very good, honestly. So this is Google Gemini. This is what the interface looks like. So you come over to this place. You tap on it, you'll see create image, create music, canvas, deep research, guided learning. You click on create image here. Have you seen it? Yes. So what you have to do is to click on this plus sign here to import the image, your image that you want to turn into studio picture, right? You have to click on gallery and import your image. I've attached my image. I have to copy and paste this prompt. I already have this prompt, so I'll just have to paste it and I'll just read through. Generate a hyper realistic cinematic editorial studio portrait of the uploaded person, keeping the exact real face, hairstyle, skin tone, and body identity unchanged. This is where the cheat code lies on. You have to tell ChatGPT to maintain the exact real face, hairstyle, and skin tone because this is AI. Sometimes it can misbehave. It has a tendencies of misbehaving. So you have to prompt it well so that it does not deviate from the instruction, right? So this is it. This is it. In case you need this particular prompt, I'll be pasting the link to my Telegram channel in the description box so you can go and access my prompt and lots of other prompts from my Telegram channel in case you're interested. So I'll just click on this arrow and allow it to do its magic. So guys, have you seen it? Our image has been generated and she's looking so beautiful. Her face consistency is there. Her background is white background, just the way I want it. If you want to tweak it to make the clothes to be purple, I mean to be pink or green or any this of your choice, fine. If you want us to sit down on the chair, you tweak it, you edit it. If you want to change the image, fine. Are you getting me? So just explore, experiment. Let's try a second picture. Let's see. So guys, for the second image, I attached this image. Then I gave it the same prompt, right? I gave it the same prompt to make sure that the face is exact. It doesn't change the face, the skin tone and everything. And this is what it gave me. See, this is what it gave me. Like I said, you can tweak it however you want it and it will produce it. Everything lies on the prompt. Once you know how to prompt, you are good to go, right? So what you have to do is to press this and save it, and voila, your studio picture is ready. You can use this for your anniversary. You can use this for any celebration of your life. So if you've watched up to this point, do well to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this, and do well to comment on the next AI tutorial you want to see on this channel, and also open for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. Do well to reach out to me through the email in my description box. And also, if you want to join my Telegram community, the link to my Telegram community is in my description box. So do well to check it out. And as I come your way next time, stay safe and mwah.